The kidneys are two small bean-shaped organs that play a vital role in keeping our bodies healthy and functioning properly. They are responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, producing hormones that regulate blood pressure and red blood cell production, and maintaining the balance of electrolytes and other important substances in the body. Despite their small size, the kidneys are incredibly efficient at what they do. Every day they filter more than 200 litres of blood and produce up to 2 litres of urine. This process helps keep the body free from harmful toxins and maintain a healthy balance of fluids and electrolytes. But what happens when the kidneys don't function as they should? Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is a condition in which the kidneys gradually lose their function over time. This can be caused by several factors, including diabetes, high blood pressure, or certain genetic or autoimmune disorders. While there is no cure for CKD, there are several treatment options available to manage the condition and slow its progression. These may include lifestyle changes like diet and exercise, medication to control blood pressure, and other factors that can contribute to kidney damage and in some cases dialysis or kidney transplant. Despite the challenges posed by CKD, many people with the condition can lead a full and productive lives with the proper treatment and care. With advances in medical research and technology, there is also hope for new and more effective treatments for CKD in the future.